meaning of any codex is story of childhood of famous person. Here you can see in the slide there is a word any codex. There is a word any codex. You can see here it is very uncommon word. Meaning of this word is story of a famous person of childhood. Childhood story of a famous person. So Rani Lakshmibai's life is full of anecdotes of her bravery and courage. Her childhood story is all about her bravery and courage. She was very brave from her childhood. So where she born? Rani Lakshmi. Again, I am repeating. Rani Lakshmibai was born at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Her father was a minister at the court of Bajirao. Rani Lakshmibai was fondly known as Manu as a young girl. She was not only good at studies but also an expert in archery and shooting. Horse riding was her passion. Manu spent her childhood with the two sons of Bajirao, Nana Sahib and Rao Sahib. Her childhood was full of anecdotes of her bravery and courage. Remember this word, it is very famous word. Children, you can see the picture. Here you can One day Manu was playing with the other two children. One day Manu was playing with the other two children. He was enacting a queen. वो एक क्वीन का एक्टिंग कर रही थी. नाना साहेब pretend to be a soldier. He brought another soldier in front of the queen and said, "Your Highness, this man is a traitor. He has been found spying for the British. He also provokes people to fight among themselves." So one day, Manu was playing with, when Rani Lakshmibai was very young, she was playing with other children. And she was acting as a queen. वो एक queen की तरह act कर रही थी. नाना साहेब pretended to be a soldier. और नाना साहेब क्या बने हुए थे? Soldier. He brought another soldier in front of queen and said, वो खेल रहे थे. खेल खेल में नाना साहेब ने क्या किया? एक दूसरे soldier को क्वीन के पास लेके आए जो कि मनु थी. Your Highness, this man is a traitor. Traitor means जो हमारे राज्य का हो और दूसरे राज्य के लिए काम करे. What is the meaning of traitor? Meaning of traitor is a person को लेके आए and they said, Your Highness, this man is a traitor. वो man जो है वो धोखेबाज है. He was playing game with us. He has been found spying for the British. ये ब्रिटिश के लिए spy कर रहा है. He was giving messages of our country to the British. He also provokes people to fight among themselves, and he also tell our people to fight each other. अपने fight करने के लिए बोल रहा है. Hearing this, Manu became very angry. She was very patriot. She was very she loves her country very much from the childhood. So when she hear this, Manu become very angry. She forget that it was a play. वो भूल गई कि they are playing, वो खेल रहे. She immediately caught hold of the traitor and said, "I ordered to kill this man in front of the public. The British are our enemies. They are trying to destroy us and capture our territories. All these traitors should be hanged till death." So British, what she said, she was very angry to listen the name of British. She said, "The British are our enemy. British हमारे दुश्मन है. They are trying to destroy us and capture our territories." वो हमारे जो टेरिटरी है उसको कैप्चर करना चाहते हैं, हमारे राज्य को कैप्चर करना चाहते हैं. All these traitors should be hanged till death. और ऐसे सारे लोगों को मार देना चाहिए. नाना साहब इंटरवेंडेड मतलब रोकना, बीच में जाके किसी गलत कुछ काम को रोकना. इंटरवेंडेड एंड रिमाइंडेड Manu that it was just a play. Manu, please control yourself. The British, you can see a picture of little Manu. Nana Sahib said that the British are our rulers. जो ब्रिटिश थे वो हमारे रूलर्स थे. दे वेर आवर रूलर्स. वो हमारे इंडिया पे रूल करते थे. तो नाना साहब ने क्या बोला? डोंट स्पीक लाइक दिस अबाउट ब्रिटिशर्स. ऐसा कुछ भी ब्रिटिशर्स के बारे में मत बोलो, बिकॉज don't speak anything about the Britishers like this. If anybody hears this trouble, don't talk ill about them in open. So what they speak? They speak that don't talk like this in front of the people. They are here only to exploit us. Kill India. Understanding Manu's extreme love for the country, Nana Sahib immediately laid the curtains down. So, but she did not listen. She not listened and she said, no, British are our enemy. She was so loud and they exploit our country. I love my country. So now Nana Sahib understand the love for the country of Manu. When Manu grew up, she got married to Gadadhar Rao. जब मनु बड़ी हुई तो उनकी शादी गदाधर राव के साथ हुई. She married with the Gadadhar Rao. Okay? Children, don't write anything in chat box. Listen carefully. Don't write anything in chat box. Okay? When Manu grew up, she got married to Gadadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi. She was popularly known as Rani Jhansi. However, life was not smooth for her. She gave birth to a son who died soon. With whom she married? She married with Gadadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi. झांसी के जो राजा थे गदाधर राव, उनके साथ मनु का मैरिज हुआ. And she was now popularly known as of Rani Jhansi. But the life is not good for her, not smooth for her. She gave birth to a son. उन्होंने एक बच्चे को जन्म दिया, but the child got dead. Son got dead. King Gadadhar then adopted Damodar Rao as his son. Damodar Rao was his cousin son. They adopted मतलब गोद लेना. दामोदर राव को उन्होंने गोद लिया. Sometime later, King Gadadhar Rao too passed away after a long illness. उसके बाद थोड़े दिनों बाद क्या हुआ? King Gadadhar also passed away. मर गए. थोड़े दिनों बाद Gadadhar Rao also passed away for after a long illness. बहुत बीमार रहने के बाद. After the death of king, जब Gadadhar Rao मर गए, the king was Jhansi dead. Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India that time. Who was Lord Dalhousie? Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India that time. He was British. Wanted to take over Jhansi on the grounds that it did not have a legal hire. Children, meaning of HEIR hire is Uttaradhikari, the person, legal person who will become a king or owner of the property. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला कि झांसी का कोई लीगल उत्तराधिकारी, कोई प्रिंस नहीं है, तो पूरी झांसी हम ले लेंगे. वी विल टेक ओवर झांसी. बिकॉज जो बच्चे को गोद लिया था दामोदर राव, वो तो एडॉप्टेड था, वो उनका खुद का बेटा नहीं था. ही वाज नॉट द लीगल heir of the crown. The British refused to accept Damodar as the legal heir. They ordered Rani Lakshmibai to leave Jhansi. They ordered, उन्होंने क्या बोला? British not accept Damodar Rao as a king, so they ordered Rani Lakshmibai to leave the Jhansi. They said that you leave the Jhansi, now Jhansi is ours. But Rani Lakshmibai refused. The British attacked the fort of Jhansi. There was a big fort in Jhansi. If you go to Jhansi, you can see British ने वहां पर attack कर दिया. A big battle was fought between the British and the army of Jhansi. झांसी की आर्मी और ब्रिटिश के बीच एक बहुत बड़ी वॉर हुई under the leadership of Rani Jhansi. Many women got inspired by her and participated in the battle. All the men and women fought bravely with the British. The battle continued for many days. The British realized that the only way to capture Jhansi was by killing the ruling queen, Rani Jhansi. So they secretly planned an attack at the midnight on the fort. What they planned? They planned an attack at midnight on the fort. What they done? They planning for an attack in the midnight. आधी रात को उन्होंने प्लान किया एक अटैक करने का in the fort के अंदर, in palace के अंदर. When Rani Lakshmibai learnt about it, she left the fort with a few trusted followers. जब रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को ये बात पता चली कि फोर्ट पे हमला होने वाला है आधी रात को, उन्होंने कुछ लोगों को जो उनके फॉलोअर्स थे उनको लेके झांसी से बाहर निकल गई. She started marching towards Kalpi. Kalpi is another state. This is in Jaipur, to escape being caught by the British. The British officer Hong Rose, name is Hong Rose, saw her escaping and started chasing her along with his army. The two parties again came face to face in the battle at Gwalior. ग्वालियर के पास अगेन वो उनकी लड़ाई हुई. Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely till the end. Soon all her people were killed. थोड़ी देर में उसके सारे लोग मारे गए. She stayed fast on her horse to get away from the British. Children, Sahira Rana. Sahira Rana. Who is Sahira Rana? Unmute yourself. What is your problem? Sahira Rana, unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am, your voice is good.
Okay, now mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Children, can you hear me properly?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When everyone can hear me properly, then that is your problem. Okay. Now British army surrounded her and the brave queen was killed. There was no escape now. There was no escape now. The British army surrounded her and the brave queen was killed. Her last words were, I wish that my dead body should not be touched by any British, but only by Indians. So, after fighting lots of fights, she was killed by the British, but she tells that my wish is my body was not touched by any British. Now, the children, Rani Lakshmibai is immortal. Immortal means those who are mortal after death also, for her bravery and patriotism. Patriotism, what is the meaning of patriotism? That I will tell you. She fought bravely till her last breath to save her country from going into the clutches of the British. So, for her last breath, till her last breath, she fight for the country and she don't want to give her country to the British. Now, children, this story is all about patriotism, देश भक्ति. ये पूरी स्टोरी देशभक्ति की है. रानी झांसी's life is all about patriotism. Patriot is one who loves and serves his own country as a loyal citizen. He is called a true patriot who loves his country and is ready to sacrifice his all for her cause and wholeheartedly works for the welfare of his motherland. The land on which one is born and brought up and lives is naturally dearer to him than any other land. This love for his birthplace grows into patriotism. The feeling of patriotism is important for the freedom of a country. A patriot is immortal. If the motherland is attacked by enemies, a patriot does not hesitate to fight for the protection of freedom of his native land. He can do anything to glorify his country. He feels proud to his country. This patriotic feeling can be found in many great heroes in history also. In India, we know many patriots who suffered inhuman distress at the hands of the foreign rulers because they loved their country and wanted to make her free from the shackles of the foreign rule. They were imprisoned, publicly flogged, and had undergo inhuman torture. But their undying patriotism, still they did not step down. even at the cost of their life. They carried of their struggle for freedom for many years. This is true patriotism. This is called true patriotism. Okay, children? A true patriot will go to the war with a smiling face to sacrifice his life if needed. He will serve the poor and the distressed people of the country out of compensation and arise the patriotism. He will devote himself to the work of development of his own people. He does not bother about his personal interest or gain. When he goes forward with his spirit of patriotism, a true patriot is worshipped by his countrymen. They shed tears when he dies, and if he were on of other nearest relationships. Children, this is the real life story of Jhansi Ki Rani, which I told you. I will send you recording also. Now, what the time for quiz. Before that, this is few words you have to write in notebook, but I will send you recording. That time you will write. Okay, understand? When I will send you recording, you will write, because now this is quiz time. We will start quiz because already we are late. So these things you will write from recording which I will send you. Okay, now quiz time. Quiz time, yes. Okay, children, this is quiz time.
Ma'am.
One second, children. Don't speak. Questions has 3 options. I will ask you question. There is 3 options of each question. Okay? Children have to write correct option number in chat box. There is 3 options of each question. जो answer right है, right answer, you have to write the number in chat box. Children can show fingers for the correct answer. You can show your finger for the correct answer also. Okay, children? 3 options है. जो option right है, you have to show your finger also, I can see, or you will write the option number in the chat box. Only one time. So let's start quiz. Are you happy? Give me a big smile. Now give me a big smile. Quiz time. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Let's start quiz. First question is Lakshmibai born in dash. Lakshmibai born in dash where? Gujarat, Varanasi, Punjab.
Ma'am, can I say?
Agar those who will speak, I will remove them quickly. Yes, very good. Very good. Thank you for writing in chat box. And I can see your thumbs. Yes, I can see your fingers. Yes, right answer is Varanasi 2. Rathore Darshan is showing. Then Dharya is showing, Jyoti Purohit. And then Nitesh Doshi is showing. Very good. Thank you so much. All are right. Very good. Okay, very good. Now next question. Move to next question. In childhood, there is spelling mistake. People called her dash. First option is Ranu. Second option is Benu. Third option is Manu. Children?
Ma'am,
Childhood.
Manu. Manu.
Rathore Nazim, I am removing you because you speak. Children, you will write in chat box or show your finger. Okay, Jyoti Purohit, very good. Very good. I can see everyone. Rathore Darshan, Bhavik Patel. Okay, thank you so much for writing in chat box and showing me fingers. It is easy to show me your fingers. Very good, Shailesh Patel. All I can see. I can see all of you. Thank you so much. That is third, Manu. Her name was Manu. Now, next option. Manu was good in archery, studies, drawing. Actually, here little confusion. Yeah. Manu is good in Yes, very good. One also. Yeah, she is very good in archery. Yeah, number one. Yeah, right answer is number one. Actually, she is better than studies in archery. So, number one is right answer. Thank you so much. All are right. Some students are right too. She was not so much good in studies. She was good in archery. So, number one is right answer. Now, next. Manu was passionate for studies, horse riding, drawing.
Horse riding.
Khushbu Rana, you are not following the rules of class. You on your video and show me your fingers. Right option fingers. Thank you so much, children. I can see you are giving me two. All are good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now chat box. Khushbu Rana, please write in chat box. Don't speak. Okay, thank you so much. Now next. Manu's father was Minister of Bazirao, Nana Sahib, Rao Sahib. Manu's father was Minister of. I can't see Jyoti Purohit. I can see your finger. I can see your face only. Yeah. Now show me your finger on the screen. Put your finger on the screen. Yeah, children, put your fingers on the screen. Ramesh Chauhan, beta, put your finger on the screen. Okay, you are writing. Very good. Number one. Yeah, I can see you are writing. Thank you so much, those who are writing. I can see. Thank you so much. At least I understand that you understand the topic. Very good. Now, Manu was playing with Bazirao, Nana Sahib, Rao Sahib. Manu was playing with whom? Yes, very good. Manu was playing with Nana Sahib. Thank you so much. Number two option. What a good class. White class. Okay, Manu was married to Bajirao, Nana Sahib or Gangadhar Rao. Who is writing one? Very good. Devin, good. Kinnari Rana, good. Antara Gaurav, three. Yes, right answer is three. Yaad rakhna, Manu was married with Gangadhar Rao. Okay? Thank you so much. Now go to the next point. Gadadhar Rao was king of Jhansi, Gujarat, Delhi. Gadadhar Rao was king of Jhansi, Gujarat, Delhi. Gadadhar Rao was king of Jhansi, Gujarat, Delhi.
Jhansi.
Beta, I can see, don't speak. Rathod Nazam. Rathod Nazam.
Jhansi.
Shahin Rana. Shahin Rana and Rathod Nazam, you have to show me fingers. I can see. Now next. Whom Gadadhar Rao adopted as his son? Lakshmi, Nana Sahib, Damodar. Very good. I can see. Very good. Yeah. Kinnari Rana showing me 3. Ramesh Chauhan showing me 3. Antara Gaurav is not showing anything. Devin, I can't see your fingers. I can see your face. I can see your fingers. Okay, very good. Writing? Oh, very good. Pooja Sat is writing. Very good. All are writing very nicely. You are showing me finger also, you are writing also. Very good. Thank you so much. White class. Okay. Damodar Rao. Right answer is 3, Damodar Rao. Now, who wanted to take over Jhansi after his death? Who wanted to take over? Who wanted to take over Jhansi after king's death? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Bacon, Lord Mountbatten. Who wanted to take over Jhansi after king's death? Who wanted to take over Jhansi after king's death? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Bacon, Lord Mountbatten. आप मुझे दिखाओ thumbs. I can see. अब जो wrong thumb दिखाएंगे मैं उनको बताऊंगी. You are wrong, Rathod Darshana. Who you are wrong? After death of king, who want to take over Jhansi? कौन टेक ओवर करना चाहता था झांसी? No, not Lord Mountbatten. Hetal Nayak, sit in one place. Hetal Nayak, sit in one place. Why you are roaming here and there? Sit in one place quietly. Okay, children, the right answer is Lord Dalhousie. After king's death, number 1. Actual right answer is number 1, Lord Dalhousie. Okay, children. Now number 2. Where Rani Lakshmi Bai fought her last battle? Where Rani Lakshmi Bai fought her last battle? Jaipur, Gwalior, Kalpi. Where Rani Lakshmi Bai fought her last battle? Jaipur, Gwalior, Kalpi. Yes, right answer is last battle उसने कहाँ किया था? Don't speak. Her last battle she fought. Nas honey, you are right. You given right answer. Number 2, Gwalior. That's why you have to listen the story carefully. जिन्होंने अच्छे से story सुनी है, वो सब right answer लिख रहे हैं. First answer given by Nas honey, 2. That is Gwalior. Next, move.
Please, ma'am, next question.
Very important. This question is very important. Rashmita Patolia, is it very important? 19 chat box. Don't speak. Okay. Because we started, after, children came after 15 minutes. So class will continue till 2 o'clock. Okay? Because children came up very late today. That's why I always tell you to join quickly. You came after 15 minutes, many students joined. Okay, this is my last question. Who wanted to take over Jhansi after king's death? Who wanted to take over Jhansi after king's death? ये तो हो गया, that is finished. Now, last question. 1 second, kids. This is last question.
Ma'am, what is last
1
question?
second, children. I'm showing you last question.
Ma'am, can you show me, please, number 1 to 23?
Yes. So, no, that you will get in recording. I'll send you recording, okay?
मैम ये लिखना है।
No, beta, don't need to write anything. No need to write anything. Okay. Children, now I hope time is over. Extra. So today we will finish here only. Next week I will ask you more questions. Actually, I prepared many more questions, but there is time issue. So in next library session, I will ask you more questions. Okay? Are you happy? Already time is over, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because class is
I know you.
over.
I know you want to listen more questions, right? You like quizzes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
You want to know more questions,
Yes, ma'am.
but today there is time issue. So today I am finishing here. Next week I will again ask few questions and related to topic also. Okay?
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. 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 Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye.